Welcome back. So, we're always browsing AIagentstore.ai. It's just a great spot we keep finding really innovative tools.
Yeah, it really is. Helps cut through the noise,
Yeah,
Gets you right to the interesting AI capabilities without all the searching.
exactly. And well,
Ah.
today we're looking at something we found right on its own website, ScreenAgent.
ScreenAgent.
Yeah, so
Love
the
it.
plan is to sort of unpack what it is, how it really works.
And who it's actually for, right? Who would use this?
Precisely.
Ah.
All based on what they say on their site.
Okay, sounds good.
So first off, what is ScreenAgent?
Yeah.
Basically, it controls your computer's GUI, the graphical interface.
Right, using the mouse and keyboard just like a person would.
Exactly. But it's not just simple clicks. It means the AI can, see and understand the screen.
Which opens up a ton of possibilities, yeah.
Yeah,
Things you couldn't easily automate before.
for sure. So how does it manage that interaction?
Well, this is the interesting part. It watches the screen, right? Takes screenshots constant.
Okay, observation.
But it's more than just watching. It has this unique loop. Planning, execution, and then reflection.
Planning, execution, reflection. Okay,
Uh-huh.
what does that mean in practice?
It means it thinks ahead about what it needs to do. Then it performs the actions like clicks or typing.
Uh-huh.
And then it looks at the result, reflects on whether it worked, and adjusts. It's a cycle.
So it learns and adapts on the fly. That sounds pretty autonomous.
Highly autonomous. That loop is really key to making it work reliably in, environments that might change.
Gotcha. And it handles more complex stuff, too, not just one-off clicks.
Oh, yeah. The site mentions support for multi-step tasks across the GUI.
And data set collection. How does that fit in?
Right. Think about training other AIs. You need data on how people interact with software.
Oh.
ScreenAgent can automate gathering that interaction data, clicking through things, filling forms.
So it can generate training data automatically. That speeds things up quite a bit for researchers, I bet.
Exactly.
Right.
Which leads to who this is really aimed at.
Right. Who benefits most?
Well, software developers, definitely. For automating UI testing, for instance.
Makes sense.
AI researchers, obviously. People building these kinds of autonomous agents. Automation engineers looking for more powerful tools. And interestingly, HCI researchers.
Human-computer interaction. So studying how we use computers.
Exactly. Exploring new ways for humans and AI to work together via the screen.
So what are some concrete examples? Like day-to-day uses?
Well, automating desktop tasks, obviously, but with, smarter control using large language models.
So the AI understands instructions and translates them to screen actions?
Kind of, yeah. Building agents, maybe vision language models that see the screen, understand context, plan, act, and reflect.
Wow, okay.
Plus, generating those GUI interaction data sets we mentioned, and just general research into how AI can handle complex visual tasks step by step.
And one of the best parts, looking at the site, it's open source.
Yeah.
And free.
That's right. Big plus for accessibility. Anyone can download it and, start tinkering.
Definitely lowers the barrier to entry. What about the community? Are people using it? What are they saying?
Well, you know how detailed feedback can sometimes be behind paywalls?
Sure, premium access stuff.
Right. But the public info suggests it's being seen as really valuable.
In what ways?
Mostly for things like helping supervisors monitor what AI agents are doing for quality control or training.
Okay, oversight.
And, predictably, automating those boring, repetitive tasks. Boosting efficiency is a huge one people mention.
Yeah, freeing people up from the drudgery. I can see
It
that.
definitely reduces the manual workload.
So thinking about this,
Yeah.
what's the bigger picture here for you listening?
Hmm.
I mean, think about an AI that can just use your computer screen like you do, observing, learning, doing things on its own.
It really does make you reconsider how we interact with digital tools, doesn't it?
Yeah.
These kinds of agents could fundamentally change workflows. Maybe we become more like supervisors to our software.
Guiding it rather than doing every single click. Interesting thought.
Frees up our time and focus for, higher level thinking.
Well, if you want to explore ScreenAgent for yourself or find other tools like it, definitely head over to AIagentstore.ai.
Yeah, it's the place to check out.
And as always, thank you so much for tuning in.
And for reading the show, we really appreciate the support.